He has given us a stronger direction today. The leader addressed
the country, and not only that, we are able to do our congresses at ward, local government, state, zone, and of course we had our national convention, coincidentally here in this venue in Abuja. Let me thank all of you, especially the gentleman who registered this party, Chief Dr. Boniface Anebunam, who is now the chairman of Board of Trustees of our party, and somebody who handed over the party to all of us here, to all Nigerians, free of charge. In fact, throughout my experience as a politician, I find it difficult to remember somebody who kept party, managing it, financing it for all this period of time, and then allowing it to Nigerians to populate it and contest election under the party. Let me thank all of you. You are doing very well in your states, because we are aware that most of the states have got your offices furnished, working in various offices in the states, local governments, and even wards. And I want to take the opportunity to remind you that you should continue to register people. And I'm sure you remember that INEC was saying that only one party submitted its register. That party was not mentioned, but I'm sure it is NNPP. So we thank Almighty God, the way we are moving, the speed at which we are going, and as much as possible, avoiding mistakes. We have to say that everybody is doing well. Let me remind you, and through you, remind Nigerians that our forms are on sale at states, for the state assembly positions and other positions here in the National Secretariat for those who want to contest election. And I want to encourage everybody to be like all of us here, to be people with foresight, because this party is for the young men and women in this country. This party is for all the nationalists and people who believe in this country, and therefore we want everybody to go and register in their respective wards, and also those of us who want to contest election should go and buy forms. Forms are comparatively very cheap. Certainly not 100 million naira for presidential candidates, and so on and so forth. Let me also take this opportunity to thank Nigerians for ensuring that PDP is not only a third force, but certainly within a very short period of time, we are going to be #1 force in this country, over and above all these parties. Yes, the NNPP will certainly be the #1 force, not third force. Let me stop here and once again thank all of you and also wish you journey mercies. Thank you and God bless you. The thing is continuous. So we cannot give, as we are sitting here, people are there buying.
So far.
So far, yes, they are buying. So far.
And we are not going to expose our secret for others to.
But I can assure you that at the end of the day, this party is likely going to have candidates in all the positions: State Assembly, House of Reps, Senate, Governor, and President.
Thank you very much.
When is your convention coming up?
2nd of June. 2nd of June, and here you are invited. Thank you, sir. When you're working with Ahmed,
I did.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.